There are hundreds of pieces to selling your home, but we're going to break it down into 6 easy steps. I'm Matt Huneycutt with the Whissel Realty Group, and we're going to share with you our tried and true method for getting your home sold in the simplest way possible. Knowing is half the battle, so before we meet, I'm going to share with you the 6 easy steps of selling your home. Jumping right into it, step number 1, preparation. This is easily the biggest step of all, and it's the part that you, as a home seller, control. Everything about getting your home sold for more is about getting the house ready to appeal to the biggest audience possible. That consists of getting your home emptied out, cleaned up, depersonalized, and any repairs that need to be done, this is the time to get those done. The better you make that house look, the more people will be attracted to it, and the more people that are attracted to it, the higher the number you're going to be able to sell it for. It's simple economics. Step 2, promotion. That's where we come in. When it comes to getting your house sold for more, the second most important piece is getting mass exposure. Making the home look good, but getting it shared with the most eyeballs possible. Because again, the more people we get to your home, the more offers we get, ultimately the higher that number is that we'll be able to drive your home for. We do this through advanced social media strategies, mega open houses, and a huge referral network that we have built over 18 years of being in the industry. Number 3, fielding offers. When it comes to this process, it's more of an art than a science. What we do is take in all the offers that we can and we whip them up to get you the best possible set of price and terms that we can. The highest offer is not always the best offer. The strongest offer is. We want to make sure that what we get you under contract for is going to survive escrow. We want you to go in at a price and come out a price on the other side, which leads us to step 4. Step 4 is the escrow process. This, as sellers, is where we supervise our buyers. We've done all the work on the front end, and now it's up to the buyers to perform. In escrow, the buyers are going to do their inspections and their investigations of the property. Our job is to make sure those go as smoothly as possible and to make sure that those buyers follow along on a certain timeline so that we can get through that process quickly and smoothly without any hiccups, and most importantly, without giving any money back to the buyers, because they're going to get a great product at the end without you having to give away any money. Step 5, if you haven't already done so, it's time to get you moving. This is a commonly overlooked piece of the project because we're constantly thinking about how much money we're going to sell the house for, how we're going to net, all those types of things. But at the end of the day, you're logistically moving to another location. So we've got a 24-foot moving truck set up for you, and we've got lots of staff on hand to help you make that transition to your next house. And then the last step, the most important step, is celebrating. Because this process is going to be trying. There will be some bumps in the road despite our best efforts, and it's going to be some stressful points. Let's make no mistake about that. But our job is to make that as smooth as possible for you, as streamlined as possible with the fewest hiccups that we can. I think we do a fantastic job. We've been the #1 team in San Diego for 7 straight years. Give us a shot. I'm Matt Huneycutt with the Whissel Realty Group. Thanks for watching.